Hi friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is something very different, super delicious, and absolutely amazing. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like and share this video. Now, let's quickly start today's special recipe. Step 1. Preparing the masala, 020 to 050. First, take 1 onion and cut it into large pieces. Along with that, add red chilies and green chilies, also roughly chopped. Put everything into a chopper or blender and grind it coarsely. After grinding, squeeze out the excess water from this mixture and keep it aside. Step 2. Preparing the mixture, 050 to 140. Now take half a kg of minced meat and wash it properly. Add the prepared chili onion mixture into the meat. Next, add salt according to taste, red chili powder, and any spices you like, adjust everything as per your preference. Then add 2 tablespoons of gram flour, besan, to bind the mixture. Mix everything really well until it becomes smooth and evenly combined. Step 3. Shaping and baking, 140 to 240. Take a baking dish and lightly grease it. Now shape the mixture into kebab-style pieces and place them neatly in the dish. Bake them in a preheated oven until they are nicely cooked and golden. You can also flip them once in between for even cooking. Step 4. Final touch and serving, 240 to 320. Once baked, your delicious and healthy kebabs are ready. Serve them hot with chapati, naan, or any dipping sauce of your choice. These kebabs are perfect for lunch, dinner, or even meal prep. Outro, 320 to 345. If you enjoyed this unique and tasty recipe, please like this video,